everyone and welcome back to our channel Raghu AirDoc. Today we are going to explore an interesting topic, the hidden roots of carbon dioxide in air conditioned rooms. More importantly, carbon dioxide we humans produce in air conditioned rooms. Before I go further, I would want you to like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out my informational videos in future. Let us start by understanding what carbon dioxide is and its natural sources. Carbon dioxide is an odorless, colorless gas that we all exhale as a part of our respiration. But here's a point to note. We always have to take care of the CO2 levels in our indoor because it affects our health and comfort. While we humans are the primary source of CO2 levels in the indoor due to our breathing, there are other factors too. Appliances like gas stoves and heaters contribute to CO2 levels in the indoor. However, in the context of this video, let's talk about our role in increasing CO2 levels indoors. The levels of CO2 in our indoors is very crucial for our health. High levels of CO2 can make us feel dizzy, make us feel uncomfortable, and can also affect our cognitive functionality. It is not about only feeling stuffy, it is about reduced productivity and poor health. Now, here's the part where air conditioning comes into play. In an air conditioned room, which is sealed off from the outside, the levels of CO2 progressively rise. This is because the ACs are designed to recirculate the same air in the room. They are not designed to get the fresh air from the outside unless you have invested in a very good advanced AC with a ventilation system. So, what can we do to mitigate CO2 levels in an air conditioned room? The answer is good ventilation. Please ensure that your room has very good ventilation and also make sure that you maintain the AC systems so that contributes to a good indoor air quality. To sum it up, the carbon dioxide in an air conditioned room that progressively increases affects our health and comfort. But we can definitely tackle it by taking some simple steps like ventilation, uh, building awareness towards us, and getting our AC systems maintained regularly. Be very mindful of the CO2 levels in your indoor space in order to enjoy a more healthier life for yourselves and your loved ones. Thank you for joining me today in exploring this intriguing topic. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Raghu AirDoc to receive more information on indoor air quality. I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.